Hi, I'm Jessica Skarzinski for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside our fall 2019 issue. It's the second most common skin cancer in the U.S. and often difficult to treat, but new therapies are advancing the treatment of squamous cell carcinoma. Inside this issue, we share those, plus when you should get to a doctor. Next, to help cope with the emotions brought on by a cancer diagnosis, some patients turn to cancer coaches. Find out how they can make the disease and survivorship more manageable. And in Cure's first ever art cover contest, we asked readers to submit artwork that expressed what they have experienced along their cancer journeys. Readers then selected the winner. See and read about one woman's whirlwind of emotions in this issue. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Cure cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. And as always, thanks for reading.